Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally Friday. And it is Friday, March 5th, 2021. My name is Corey, and I am your host here of the Pop the Chart live stream. And to start the day with 2 minutes to go before market open, I have something new. You can see me. I'm right here. Yes, I'm on your screen now. You officially can see. Oh, Papa, Pop the Chart live on the stream. I told you I was going to get a camera set up, and I figured out a new way to get this face, get this whole thing on the screen. And so you can see me now. So I feel connected. So if I'm blocking anything, let me know. I could try to move myself, but I feel like right now I'm in a good spot. You can still see the news right up above me, right up there. Then I believe right over there. Is this the? I'm gonna make sure this is the right side. Is it over here? Maybe over here? Right here? Let's see. I think it's here. No, I think it's over here. Anyway, you can see all the charts that we're following with less than 1 minute to go on the Pop the Chart channel for the start of the day. We are following AMC. We are following GameStop. We're following Super League Gaming. Big number one on the Stocktwits trending yesterday. So we're following them. We also have Tesla. We're still following them. We have all kinds of things to look at. And we are currently at market open 9:30. Welcome. Welcome. Also, while we are keeping an eye on all these charts, make sure that you hit up that live chat. It is open. And don't forget to like the video, like the stream, like the stream. And then you can comment if you like as well, and hit that all-important subscribe button. All right, here we go. The market is running. It is running. And GameStop coming up high right off the open. AMC taking a little bit of a dip. And Super League Gaming, after taking a dip over the pre-market hours, is starting to go back upwards. And it did go underneath that all-important support level that we had drawn yesterday. And so it did take quite a dip. It went all the way up to that high point, and then it came back down. So we'll see if Super League Gaming can still get it done. And they're already up to almost 4 million. 4 million on the day. They went 250 million yesterday. So we will see. We're also following all the news. Amazon, or no, yeah, is it? No, I'm sorry, AstraZeneca. Yeah, AstraZeneca. I don't know why I said. It looks like Amazon when you first glance at it. But they're in the news. It says Oxford study indicates AstraZeneca is effective against Brazil. So there's good news right there for you. AT&T to host Analyst Investor Day Friday, March 12th at 10 a.m. So we'll have to check that out. We might have to follow that. Also, I do have some news that I found. So I can pull the article up here that talked about the GameStop situation. So we are watching GameStop. Had a big push up this morning. Kind of starting to fall back down. So we'll see. This could just be that morning market sell-off. And yesterday in the afternoon, we saw GameStop and AMC just all of a sudden, boom. It was a bloody day. Everything was red. It was a nightmare. And then all of a sudden, boom. GameStop, AMC out of nowhere. It just starts to run. Had a big run. And so we were wondering what caused that. So I found this. apparently, old Mr. Ryan Cohen, Ryan Cohen made a tweet, and he is if you didn't know, he's the founder of Chewy, the company Chewy that does all the pet stuff. Yeah, online that you can order stuff for your pet. He is apparently a major shareholder in GameStop. And again, GameStop closed almost 6.6% higher yesterday at $132.35 after rising to a high of $147.87 in intraday trading. So the stock surge, they're saying, is because of a picture that was posted by Mr. Ryan Cohen on Twitter. And that is what they're saying is the reason for the big rise in GameStop's and AMC's stock yesterday. It kind of looked like this. Look at AMC. Look at that big old run up. But it just kept running yesterday, and we were like, what is going on? And so there you go. They're saying it's because old Ryan Cohen. And you know what? Let's find that tweet. Here's the tweet. I have the tweet. It was a sock puppet of a dog. They're saying the sock puppet caused the spike yesterday. Well, you know what? Thank you, Mr. Sock Puppet. Thank you, Chewy. Thank you, Ryan Cohen. You the man. And now we're going to head back to the charts. AMC over that $8 mark. Tesla still falling. They had a little bit of a run up this morning, and it's coming back down. And Super League Gaming going up above that support line, so we might have had a false break below that support line and heading back up. And again, they have been on a channel. They were in a upward moving channel, and Super League Gaming read up on them. They are expected to do very, very well because they are they're the company that allows I guess they can do tournaments, right, for like video gaming tournaments, and they have their own league. They're like apparently their league is more watched than the NHL and NBA, I believe is what they said. They said they surpassed like the NHL and NBA, if I'm not mistaken. It's at least two of the major league sports have been surpassed in viewership by Super League Gaming. So the gaming world, it is on its way. It is running. Now, will it ever surpass the NFL? I don't know. We shall see. But gaming is on its way. This morning, Stocktwits falling right along. The Super League Gaming, number 5. Sitting at number 5. All right, here we go. I feel so excited right now to be able to see you. I'm wondering if my finger can go through your screen right now. Look at this. Oh! It's so cool to be live on your screen. Oh yeah, we are seeing green come across the news. A lot of green in the news on this Friday. Let's take a look at the chart here. Kroger still running. Up 2% already today. Uh-oh, Bitcoin. Speaking of Bitcoin, I saw another article about Bitcoin. I seen that in the newswire late last night that they have a price target of $100,000 for Bitcoin. So I would not be surprised if that does not run off of that news. Price target of 100K. It is currently setting at 48,000 for Bitcoin. So that .0000375 that you have in Bitcoin could be worth a lot more. But if you bought into it later on in the near future, you could be owning like .0000000000075, right? Alrighty. Checking out Twitter. Let's see what's trending on this March 5th morning. It looks like it is Employee Appreciation Day today. So if you have if there's anybody with you that you work with and you're listening, you're checking this out, make sure you send them some appreciation. I work with myself, so I've got to, I gotta appreciate myself. You know what? Here we go. Right here. That's appreciation right there. Checking to see if anything is coming across Twitter as far as the stock market world, but I am not seeing anything right now. Let's zoom out on GameStop. Got an upward momentum. Looks like the White House Economic Council Director said that we have a long way to go in the jobs recovery. And say we're still not out of the woods yet. But I can tell you right here in the state of Ohio, our governor yesterday, old Mikey DeWine, said that if we can get down here in the state of Ohio to 50 cases per 100,000, to that number, for 2 weeks, he would lift all mandates. All COVID mandates would be lifted. To put that in perspective, we are currently setting at like 170 per 100,000. In December, we were at like 700 and something per 100,000. And in January, it was like 500. February, 300. Now here we are in March, and we're at like 170. So it is moving in the right direction for that number. But we're not there yet. Also, they said that of the 11 million people that live in my state, just shy of 2 million have already been vaccinated, with 500,000 vaccinations coming this week. So he was very, very happy, very optimistic. And it seems in the very near future that, at least in my state, that the COVID situation may be getting better. Tesla taking a tank in the morning sell-off. They are now below that 600 mark after news came out yesterday that one of their big shareholders decided to say, see you later, I'm out. Peace. And turned his diamond hands into paper hands. Uh-oh. Got some news. COO Cooper Company's shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 EPS and sales results. Earnings. Q1 earnings looking good for Cooper Companies. Let's take a look really quick. Let's take a look. COO Cooper. Look at that. Look at that chart on the 1 minute chart. Let's zoom out. Let's do the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, it's running. Look at that. 392. Went up to, looks like $400. GameStop. Looking good. Don't worry, I did not go anywhere. I am still here. I just had to, had some dust in the air. Something. I had to dust off this camera. I felt like I was gonna sneeze. I hope I am not coming down with, what my fam has had. Still at home today. My wife, unfortunately, under the weather. My daughter was under the weather on Monday. She's been under the weather the past couple days. My daughter, Monday, my wife, end of the week. I am hoping that I can stay away from all that funk. All that funk. No funk here. We're gonna go back to the 1 minute chart. Looking good. Super League Gaming. Running up to that support. Kind of almost making it some resistance. Coming back down. It's starting to turn around here in Super League Gaming. Let's see. We may have found a floor. Also, by the way, if you are new to the channel, make sure you check out all of this news information over here. We got news all over the screen. It updates in real time from multiple sources. And don't forget to hit up that live chat. I hope this new camera that I have set up here, I hope that it is working in tandem with my voice, because I'm starting to see like maybe there might be a little bit of a delay. We'll find out. Here's what we'll do. I'm gonna hold up that I'm gonna hold up the number one, and see how long it takes for it to go into the stream. It looks like there is quite a bit of a delay on the camera. Yes, there is quite a bit of delay on the camera, so you'll have to ignore the delay. But at least you can see me. At least you know I'm here. That's all that matters. And that could be because it has to send a signal from the camera over to the computer to go through. So if there's a delay, I apologize. Again, this is the first time that I've used this setup. So Google says Trade Desk touted Google's next big digital advertising rival. Uh-oh. Let's see what this says. The Trade Desk is emerging as a rival to Alphabet, which is apparently Google's advertising company. Let's see here. They continue to challenge Google by investing in online advertising segments in audio and streaming TV. Google does not have commanding presence. Trade Desk revenue jumped 26% year over year, reaching $836 million. Boom. Good morning, Garage Grill, back in the live chat. Appreciate it. Thank you for coming back. And yes, you can see me today. If you're looking at your screen right now and you're like, wait a minute, there's somebody there. It may be delayed, FYI. There may be some delay, a little bit, but at least you can see me. That's all that matters. You know that there is a human on the other side of this mic, and that you are not listening to some alien in the sky. Yeah, I'm excited. I can literally, from this camera, send a signal wirelessly to my computer which then sends the signal into the broadcasting system, and then goes to you. Although, like I said, it may be a little bit delayed, but it is pretty cool. Technology. Anyway, let's pull this back up and take a look. GameStop currently sitting at $133. AMC above that $8 mark still. Today's that big options day on AMC, and we've been following that. Also, if you missed the news, they say they're testing the big spike yesterday, the big jump up in the afternoon for GameStop and AMC. They're saying it was an old Ryan Cohen, the CEO of Chewy, the pet supply company. He apparently had tweeted out a sock puppet picture of him holding a little dog sock puppet, and turns out he is a large shareholder in GameStop. So that little bit of Twitter news, that Twitter magic, apparently that Twitter magic happened to lead to a big spike in the stock market yesterday afternoon. We were wondering, what in the world caused that big spike? Because everything else in the market was red. And it turns out Ryan Cohen of Chewy, you are a stock market mover, my friend. Yes, SLGG, it is looking like currently moving away from that line. We'll see. There is 11 million already being traded. There is volume. There's volume. 11 million. Right there. There is more buying. We're seeing buying. It's sitting below 38. Or set at 38. Just above 30 on the RSI. That would lead me to believe that it might be a little bit oversold. You know what they say? Buy the dips. Buy the dips. I'm gonna try to refresh the camera here and see if that helps. Refresh. See if that helps the old delay. Da-na-na. I may have to do that every so often. I might have to like refresh the camera just to make sure that it's somewhat up to date and not falling behind in the stream. Again, first time I've used this thing, so we'll see. We'll find out all these little kinks. PLPC hitting up the wire. Perform line products. Q4 EPS at 0.53, down from $1.09 year over year. Sales though look like they're up 118 mil from the 113 year over year. So they hit on the sales, but they just missed on the they went down on the old EPS. I am curious to see if the camera that I have set up now, if that helps bring in some viewers, knowing that, hey, there is somebody there. There is a person on the other side of that microphone. And I think a lot of YouTube viewers were probably going to the channel and saying, oh, this is just music, without clicking on it, because they weren't clicking on the actual video. They were just kind of seeing that little preview and just seeing the screen. So now that I'm on here, maybe we'll start seeing some increase in the Pop the Chart live stream. And if you are one of those people and you are just joining us, thank you so much. My name is Corey. I am the host of the Pop the Chart live stream. We cover everything on the stock market that we can. I have news on your screen. It's right above my head on your screen. There's news at the bottom. There's news below me. Going across the live. There's all multiple sources. So we have that. I also follow Stocktwits. We keep up to date with what's trending, what's going on. So following the AMC GameStop, and poor Gargy Grill said he is out of GameStop and AMC today. But I don't know, man. Come on, you have diamond hands, my friend. But we're following it. We're also following Super League Gaming. That was big yesterday. Currently, Super League Gaming moving up to number 3. It's still trending. It was at 5 this morning. People were talking about it. Question is, are they talking about it for the right reasons? We will see. Looks like they're talking about oil across the wire. Yes, shares of oil-related companies in trading following the OPEC Plus agreement to extend output cuts in April, and we saw that yesterday, and that is true. The oil and energy market getting some good news. We are currently at 10 a.m. 30 minutes into market. 30 minutes in. Let's check the volume. Super League Gaming 12 mil. AMC 9. So we're on a little low on the volume for this Friday. We're at 4 for GameStop. Tesla 13 mil. So when it comes to the AMC GameStop, we are a little light. Could do a little better. I was looking more around the 15 to 20 on AMC. But not seeing that. But it is Friday. Maybe we got maybe some peeps are at home. They took a Friday off. Maybe they're sleeping in. Haven't quite woken up yet. Getting that extra couple hours of sleep. Somebody, go shake that person and say, hey, it's March 5th. It's that options day. It's that big options day we've been looking at. We need you. Come on. You can sleep when you're dead. Wake up. Hey, there's somebody else hitting up trending right now, and I have been mentioning this industry for a little bit, but I'm seeing Old Norwegian Cruise Lines setting number 5 right now on the Stocktwits trending, and we've been talking about the airline industry and how they started vaccinating employees at Chicago at O'Hare Airport. And I said in the future, I think you're going to see the cruise line start doing that. Now it looks like Norwegian is trending. So let's see what's going on with Norwegian Cruise Lines. Gotta stretch. It's morning. Bitcoin coming across the newswire. Speaking of Bitcoin, they had a target price put on them on Bitcoin, targeted 100K target. They're saying Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, and currently Bitcoin is sitting 48K. That's a big change. It's a big change. Right now, if you had enough money to buy one Bitcoin, and I'm not a financial advisor, I don't tell you what to do with your money. One Bitcoin, you could double your money. I don't know how long. According to the price target, right? 48K, they're saying 100K. There is money to be made in the cryptocurrency world of Bitcoin. AMC right at $8. Again, if there's anything you see that you would like to discuss, if you're on the channel, you're on the live stream, feel free. Type it in that live chat. When it comes to stocks, if there's something that you know about that maybe I'm not seeing, say, hey, yo, check this out. You know, there is still a lot of red on this chart, but I am seeing green. More green than yesterday. Woo! That was a rough day. GameStop heading to that all-important 141 mark. Super League Gaming starting to turn around. You're seeing it start to level off. Maybe it was just the morning dip. Oh, we got another regular joining in. Oh, Hi-Fi is back in the chat. Hi-Fi, guess what? I'm on the screen. I may be slightly delayed, by the way, on this whole camera situation. And I'm trying to figure out how to prevent that. And I really don't know at this point in time. But maybe I'll play with it over the weekend and see what I can figure out. But you can see me. There's a human on the screen. Let's see here. China's key data sharing mandate wreaked double whammy for tech industry amidst increased antitrust probe. Uh-oh. Let's see what this is all about. China's instruction to technology giants regarding key data sharing acts as a double whammy for its tech companies recuperating from increased antitrust scrutiny, according to Bloomberg. It says the U.S. reportedly delayed license approval to American companies for selling chip-making equipment to China's semiconductor giant semiconductor manufacturer SMIC. China Communist Party prioritized data disclosure regarding search, e-commerce, and social media by the tech companies for the next 5 years to promote the healthy development of the sharing and online economics. Beijing was also launching a platform sharing public and government data. It's the first instance of China government's prioritization of data disclosure by private sector companies. However, Chinese Communist Party leader Xi Jinping previously acknowledged the importance of data. So there you go. There's some info on data. Of course, that's been a big thing in the world. Data sharing, privacy, lock and key. Yeah, I know it. Oh, hi-fi. He's like, wait a minute. Wait a second. You got a beard? I didn't think that. Now, you know, I used to be. I used to be all clean. I was the clean machine for a while. And, you know, lately I've been kind of like, what's the point? What's the point? So, yes, I am rocking the beard. Rocking the beard. We were just talking about the cruise lines. And now here we are. Shares of company in the let's just pull it up, make it a little easier. Shares of companies in reopening sectors such as travel, airlines, and hotels are trading lower as stocks continue to be volatile amid yield concerns. And again, that's what they talked about all yesterday. Yield concerns. The reopening space gained through 2020 amid hopes of economic recovery and the start of COVID-19 vaccine rollout, potentially leading to profit taking. So that's what they're saying. They're saying it had a little bit of a run up. And they're taking profits. They're like, see you later. I'm out. Peace. Oh, look, taco. There's a taco sighting. Del Taco. A preview of the Del Taco earnings. This is preview. They're predicting an EPS of 0.14 on revenue of 156 million. Del Taco restaurants. EPS in the same period as a year ago totaled 0.18, 157 mil. So they're looking very similar to the previous year. I don't know if you heard that. I don't know if you heard that in the background, but my belly wanted to say hi. It's like, yo, feed me. Feed me. Yes, I am a little bit hungry. I haven't quite had breakfast yet. Why? I was trying to get this thing all running this morning. That's why I was running a few minutes behind. I got in just before market open. I hit that button. Hit that button right before market open. I'm like, come on, work. Work for me. I want to do this. I got it in. I said I would try. If I didn't get it Friday, it was going to be over the weekend. And I got it in. Yeah, speaking of COVID, so we're talking about COVID in the live chat right now. Speaking of COVID, the here in Ohio, our governor said yesterday evening, came in a little short little one-on-one with the camera and said, hey, if we get to less than 50 cases per 100,000 for 2 weeks, we hold it for 2 weeks, lifting all mandates. Currently, we're at like 170 something per 100,000, and to put that in perspective, we were at 700,000 or 700 per 100,000 in December. So we have fallen tremendously over time, and it's moving in the right direction. So he was kind of seeming like sometime in the near future that the state of Ohio here may be lifting the restrictions. Now I know down in Kentucky, because I'm near the Cincinnati area, so we get a lot of the Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio news. We get all the news. We get like the tri-state area here. And they did say Kentucky, Governor Beshear there said that he is not lifting mandates anytime soon. Not until at least every person is vaccinated. At least, or the majority of everybody is vaccinated. I see that. So, Kentucky holding out a little longer. Ohio's saying, hey, our numbers are looking decent. So, again, it's different everywhere. It depends on where you're at. The population of your area. And also, maybe the views of your governor. But that's all political mumbo jumbo. We're gonna get to the stocks right now. EYES Eyes Second Sight Medical Products shares up 110%. They move above the $3 level. It says looks like they received some FDA approval for Argus 2's retinal prosthesis systems. So Eyes getting a bump on the FDA there. I feel like you could just like go to a page of just nothing but like a list of FDA approvals, and just, I know it sounds crazy, but ideally you think this would make sense. You could just like invest in the companies that just keep getting FDA approval, and ideally you would think you would make some money if you're like, oh, here's some approval, get in. From a day trader standpoint, you'd be like, hey, in, out, in, out. I'm sure there's probably a website that gives you that information. I'm sure the FDA probably gives you that information. But I'm just wondering if there's just like a feed somewhere that just goes FDA approved, FDA approved, FDA approved. You know, I hope with this whole camera thing we're talking about, I hope I didn't let you down on these looks. You're probably visioning something different, and you were like, that's not what I thought. That's not the guy. That can't be the guy. Nope, it's me. I'm here. I am the guy. I am Corey, your host of Pop the Chart. Yeah. Looks like AMC got a downward channel. But we're seeing, boom, boom, maybe, that line that's been drawn, which is one of my previous levels. Maybe that's the floor. We'll see. We are below my previous floor in that channel for Super League Gaming. Super League Gaming, 16 mil already. 16 mil. But we're seeing a sell off here. We're seeing it. But currently looking oversold on RSI. It's looking oversold. Down 31%. Yo, Guard Your Grill said he got into that. Took some profits, took the profits, put back in. And we'll see. I mean, again, we're just a little past 10. It is Friday. It is Friday. GameStop starting to take off. Let's go back. Let's pull out like the 5-minute chart. I wanna chart some of this real quick. Let's get a good look. Look at that. Look at that. GameStop. Getting up to that 141 mark. Let's go a little further. There you go. That was that top yesterday. We're heading up towards it again. GameStop. AMC, not so much. We're actually seeing opposite action for the first time in a little bit. And now you're seeing the channel that I drew. You can see we hit that channel, we hit that low, moving down on Super League Gaming. And Tesla, well, it just fell off a cliff. It was like, whee! Drop below 600. Let's see where that thing goes to. I'm curious though how many people are actually saying that might be, you know, a buying opportunity, because Tesla is always seems to be that expensive stock. It's that well-known company. But question is, look at this. I'm zooming out. These are days. You're looking at days. Look at this. That is a fall from grace. If I ever seen one. Woo! Look at that. So, I guess you could say like the old game. How low can you go? How low can you go? WTI offshore shares are up 30%. It's nearing that $5 level. WTI offshore. Oil industry. It's going. It's moving. Looks like AMD's got some unusual options activity going on right now too as well. It currently looks like it is down for the day. It is. Down about almost 2%. All right, let's go back to like the 5-minute. You see a little bit better of what's going on here. Getting a little bit of maybe a small cup and handle here. Let's see what happens. See if GameStop can push over that 141 line. Twitter is in the news. Looks like Twitter is exploring an undo send feature for paying users. So that's something we've been asking for a long time. The undo button. Hey, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to post that. Wait a minute. I didn't mean to send that. But they're going to make you pay for it. They're going to say, hey, yo, you cannot undo anything unless you give us some of that cash money. Cash money. So you got to pay for the undo button. You got to give money for it. Uh-oh. GameStop. GameStop. Where are you going? Where are you going? Uh-oh. Zoom out, my. Look at that. We're running. GameStop is running. Look at that. Look at that movement, too. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see if it can hold. Get into that resistance more. Let's give it a minute here and see if it can, if we can get a pop of the chart on GameStop. Looks like Virgin Galactic shares are trading lower. Yeah, it looks like Old Chum sold off 6.2 million shares at an average price of $34.32. So you're seeing some selling off from big hands, big dogs, and some of the major companies right now. And I'm wondering if it's just because they're moving it into other positions. GameStop, whoop, 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 in the news. Talking about the spike we were just talking about. Moving up above 140. I told you, that 141 mark, 140. Right there, that's what we needed. We are seeing it. And I think it is almost worthy. We made the news. It's worthy. We got a pop of the chart on GameStop. Yeah. Just before 10:30, almost. Just shy. Just before we hit that 1 hour mark of trading in the day on this Friday, March 5th. Nice. We made the news. GameStop. Question is, what's going on with AMC? Yeah, unfortunately, Tesla is the opposite of GameStop right now. Look at this. Going up, going down. Super League Gaming still in that morning sell-off or yesterday's sell-off. Whatever you want to call that. Who knows? That's one of those companies where you just like, you don't know. It's an industry that's growing though. I mean, good Lord. They're bypassing Major League Sports in viewership. Yesterday we were talking about Fox and their deal that they couldn't get done with the, and again, I don't know if they ended up getting it finished, but as of yesterday, they did not get the deal done with the NFL to be able to have football on Fox. So we shall see. So maybe Fox, maybe you hit up old Super League Gang. Hey, We're gonna cover all of your gaming stuff. Maybe we're gonna give a national primetime broadcast to video gaming. I know some of you right now are saying, really? Really? Do you think primetime people want to watch that? Well, I'm just saying. The world's changing. Technology. It's a thing. The ideas of the past and what television and radio and ratings, what gets ratings has changed. I mean, this is coming from the guy who is currently on your screen talking to you from his home studio on YouTube. Johnson & Johnson says anticipated fulfilling 10 million doses, including an advance purchase agreement with government of Canada by end of Q3 2021. So Johnson & Johnson, they're working their magic right now. Johnson & Johnson currently showing up 1% on the day. Right now, I'm leaning back in the chair. I don't think you can see me. My face probably like disappears. It's like, hey, hey. But hey, you gotta relax every so often. You gotta get in that relaxed mode. GameStop holding, making that line. That resistance line looks like it's becoming a support line. And I think we may be moving on up. Already up 10%. 10%, almost. Just shy of it. On the day. AMC, come on. Join. Come join. Come join the fun. Let's take a look at Stocktwits. What's going on over there? Well, Tesla currently number one on Stocktwits. I wonder why. They're number one trending because everybody's like, what's going on with Tesla? They're falling off a cliff. Look at that. Man, crazy. You look at that. Support level. Tell me I did not call that support level. I had that thing already pinned. Love it. It's nice to see a plan come together. Hey, Smith & Wesson, we were talking about them. They're in the top 10 right now. Trending. Let's see. Down 4.8, down 5%. Maybe that's why. Smith & Wesson. You made the call for the win yesterday. One of you made the call for the win. And, well, let's see. American Outdoor Brands Q3 adjusted EPS 1.2 beats. $1.12 beats 76 estimate. So what are they saying? They beat their earnings? But they're down. They beat their earnings and they're down? What? Let's see. I'm gonna read this. Just a second here. American Outdoor Brands reported quarterly earnings of $1.12 per share, which beat the analyst consensus estimate of 76 cents by 47.37%. This is a 761.54% increase over earnings of 13 cents per share from the same period last year. The company reported quarterly sales of $257.60 million, which beat the analyst consensus estimate of $236.70 million by 8.83%. This is 54.53% increase over sales of $166.69 million in the same period last year. So there you go. Smith & Wesson should be moving up. They beat their earnings. Uh-oh. Oh, I pulled them off of GameStop. I'll have to flip them back over. But look, what's going on? They shot up. They're coming down. How do you beat your earnings? I don't know. I'm just curious how you beat your earnings and you fall. One would assume that it would go up. Maybe this is just a morning dip. Maybe. We'll see. Here comes some green. Maybe it's maybe it's just a sell off before earnings. But it just, again, maybe it just popped. It says that says March 4th, so that came out yesterday. I don't know. The world is crazy, my friends. AMC might catch up. Waka waka. They had killer earnings. Yeah. Anyway, back to GameStop. That's the one we're watching. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Beautiful. GameStop. AMC, help me out. Help me out here. Yo. Come join the fun. Why is it that I think that if I pull the mouse over that it's gonna actually do that? AMC! Yo! GameStop, it's running! Uh-oh. Again, the fam is home. The fam is home today. Been home all week. They got the funk. They got some sickness going on in the household. That was, you probably heard my daughter in the background. See a little squeal right when the music changed there. Little squeal. All right, I'm gonna make a post here. Let's post on the on AMC and say, hey, yo, come join the fun. here we go. I said, yo, AMC, come join. Come join the fun, the GameStop fun. What is going on? It's blowing my mind right now that we are seeing GameStop pop the chart and AMC is just rolling downward. Still in that like morning. Look at it run. Watch GameStop. It's taking off. About to hit that 150 mark. Look at all that buying coming in. Let's look at the RSI. Currently, 77.82 on the RSI. So, ever so close to that mark of coming back down. So we'll see. Can it keep running? Maybe we'll have a flip. Maybe there's a delay. Maybe there's a slight delay in AMC. Maybe we'll see GameStop run and then it'll flip back over and AMC will take it. And poor Tesla. Tesla just, woo! Tanking. Tesla and Super League Gaming looking very similar with their morning sell-offs. Also, by the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Corey. I'm the host of the Pop the Chart live stream. We follow all of the stock market news and currently following the GameStop, AMC, what they like to call the Game of Squeeze. And GameStop has been running since market open. It has just made one heck of a run, which is blowing my mind because typically AMC is right there, right behind them. Like usually they're together and you're seeing a little bit, for the most, you're seeing a difference. This might be the first time we've seen a difference in a stint. So we need to find out what is going on. Again, GameStop and AMC had a run yesterday. They had a run in the afternoon after everything was a bloody mess on the market. And they're saying that was due to Chewy, the CEO of Chewy, making a tweet because he is a huge stake in GameStop. So his post is the reason for the spike yesterday. IMAX in the news right now says looking into IMAX return on capital employed. Here we go. IMAX rocking the news right now. They are currently 7%, up 7% on the day. Again, also, if you are new to the channel, we have news, real-time news over here to the right, updated constantly from sources, multiple sources, as well as news across the bottom of your screen to keep you updated on everything currently going on in the market. You'll see me. I'm on your screen today. Yes, I'm here. My name is Corey. I am the host of the Pop the Chart live stream. Make sure you hit that like button. That like button. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also, feel free to comment. Feel free to type in the live chat. And feel free also to hit that subscribe button. We went up and we're in GameStop and tested that 150 level. Had a little bit of a pullback. I'm gonna be interested to see the Smith & Wesson news. I'm gonna continue to follow that and see if it continues to go down off of the smashing earnings that we had today. HKIB. It says international shares were halted. Up 39%. Look at that. AMTD, other international, also known as HKIB. That thing was halted. So there's you something to look at. Have to keep an eye on that. It might pop up in the old Stocktwits trending top list here shortly. We'll find out. GameStop coming back down. We'll see if it can stay with that support level. Turn that resistance level we originally had. See if we can make it that support. I mean, we got 3 touches of that line. And maybe try to keep upward momentum pushing upward. And then hopefully some of this may lead over to AMC. And we'll see that follow in the footsteps. But right now, it's opposites day for GameStop and AMC. Currently, 15 minutes to 11 on this March 5th, 2021, Friday. That's right, Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Got the weekend coming up. But hey, the weekend doesn't end, because why? The crypto market, it's always open. 24/7, 365. You can always hit up old Bitcoin. They put a target price, 100K on that thing. Currently, Bitcoin, where they at? 48K almost on the dot. 47,994. So they're right at that 48,000 mark. Could see that thing moving up in the near future with a very large target price. AMC getting a little curl. We're seeing a curl. Let's look at it in a 1 minute chart. Uh-oh. Maybe they're we're gonna get this this support right here on GameStop and maybe turn it into some into an AMC run. I don't know. I could be wishing and hoping here. I could have diamond eyes. But there is a wide range candle bar, and we're looking at it. Big buy wall, 765. Right now, a lot of more buying than selling. Currently setting 52 on the RSI. Moving upwards. Here we go. AMC. Looks like it's about to make a run. $100 million stock buyback, according to the live chat here on Smith & Wesson. They should be popping. They should be. They should be popping. That's okay. We're keeping an eye on them. We're keeping an eye. Right there, right there below Tesla. We're gonna keep an eye right there. That's WBI. Down 6%. Smashed their earnings and went down. There you go. AMC. Finally. That was those previous levels that we had. They came down, tested those previous levels. Now it looks like we're getting a run. We're getting that morning, hey, we're awake. Our phones went off. GameStop went on a big run, and I was sleeping, and all of a sudden, my phone goes beep, 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 and I want to get in on the action. Now you're seeing AMC start to run. Super League Gaming. Down 38%. It had its big run. And now a fall from grace. Just wondering where the bottom is on this thing. Where is the bottom? I mean, you're right at that oversold mark. There is a lot of buying. Oversold. But it still keeps just rolling downhill. Looks like WDC coming across the wire. Goldman Sachs upgrades Western Digital to buy. Raises the price target to, looks like $85 currently. $65. That's a $20 increase price target there. Western Digital up 2.91%. That may be one to watch as well. Again, not financial advice here. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. You do what you do you, I do me. But they have got a increased price target. I'm looking at the trends right now, and the only one showing green trending on our top 10 list right now is FLGT, Fulgent Genetics. It says 4.68% price change currently. That is the only thing that is trending that is in the upward side of things. FLGT. There we go. AMC. Moving upwards. Big turnaround. Getting a run. Let's take a look. Gonna head up towards that $8 mark. All right, let's chart this. This chart is not wanting to cooperate this morning. There we go. We popped out of that downward trend. We're moving upward. Right there. That's where that pop of the chart could be. Let's get a 30-minute chart. Take a look. There's actually a lot of levels right there. Ideally, you'll see run when you get past that mark. GameStop flirting with that 141 mark. Flirting with it. Might be a little bit of a pullback, consolidation, we'll see. But it is staying right along that line. There you go. Let's pull out on Tesla. Let's look at this trend line. Ugh. That, my friends, that thing is not pretty. Not pretty for Tesla. Here we go. Super League Gaming falling out. Falling out of that channel. See if they can bring it back. Maybe a little false break. We'll find out. Alrighty. There we go. Pinning it up, big ol' happy Friday in the live chat. Look at Tesla. I drew that line. Starting to see it come back up. Looks like, what is it? Maybe 6:30 before it. We'll see. I'm just curious to see what happens with this whole options thing that's going on with AMC. Because there's a lot of options purchased. I'm gonna go to the options side. Let's just look at it. March 5th. Look at all the numbers. Look at all of them. There's a lot of options. We gotta look at the in the money and out of the money. So currently 782. So basically, these right here, currently out the money. So AMC, there's a lot. It looks like it starts to die down about the $16 mark. There's a lot. Out the money right now. But there is a bunch still in the money. I mean, we got all these. Need to get... Oh, we need some movement. Some movement. Get these options in. That's a lot of options buying. We got to get it moving. Riot. We're seeing a live chat. Riot. Tesla, we know where it's going right now. Let's look at Riot. Ooh, I don't know. That, I would look, and I'm not a financial advisor, but your levels, this level here, looks like it's surpassing. Let's look at it. This is a level. You're right at that level. Right here, but right there, right in there. Somewhere, I think you may see, and that's your next one. So, like, somewhere, and again, that $30 mark, I think is key for that right there. That $30 mark. So maybe it's gonna pull back. That thing went up quite a bit. Ugh. I don't know. We'll see if it stops before it gets to that mark, but I don't know. Moderna's in the news. mRNA. And it says they're hired the Harvard stem cell researcher Jonathan Hoggett as the director of hematology. So Moderna's in the news right now for hiring a researcher. Have to keep an eye on that. And then we do have there's your trend line. Somewhere in there. I think. Maybe watch that. Maybe you see another pop. Find out. Just gotta watch those levels, because that right there is a level, and it's broken it. So the question is it breaking it and going downward? Oh, let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Here we go. Moving back up. All right, we are a few minutes after 11 o'clock, and I appreciate you being with me on this Friday. And I would like to say, if you could, please, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Let's get some likes up in here. I got the camera out today. I got the camera rolling today. Hit that like button. Click it. Click it, click it, click it.